Welcome to the tutorial Ethernet. Robert Metcalfe at Xerox PARC in 1973 founded Ethernet. As per the definition, uh, a system for connecting a number of computer systems to form a local area network with protocols to control the passing of information and to avoid simultaneous transmission by two or more systems. But actually, it is a way to connect a number of computers to form a local area network that can be a building or an apartment. So it uses CSMA protocol. CSMA stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access Collision Detection. Okay, in this there are carriers that can be transmit over the cable. Each node can sense the carrier in this protocol. If the carrier is ideal, the node starts the transmission, else it will wait. A node can detect collision also. It terminates the transmission if the collision is there. So that was the Ethernet, works on CSMA-CD. CSMA-CD is a protocol that is a multiple access protocol. Okay, so thanks you so much.